Sun, the center of our solar system, has always been a source of wonder and awe. But did you know that it can also be a source of something dangerous that can greatly impact our daily lives? We are talking about solar storms. Solar storms are intense bursts of energy from the Sun that can travel millions of miles through space and hit our planet. They can create beautiful auroras in the sky, but they can also disrupt our technology and cause severe damage to our civilization. A solar flare is a sudden burst of energy from the Sun's surface, while a coronal mass ejection is a huge cloud of charged particles that is released from the Sun's corona. Scientists can predict when solar storms will occur, but they can't predict the severity of the storm. The most severe solar storms can cause widespread power outages. Power grids are particularly vulnerable to solar storms. The electromagnetic radiation from a solar storm can induce electric currents in power lines, causing transformers to overload and potentially causing widespread blackouts. They can disrupt communication systems and damage satellites. In 1859, the largest solar storm on record, known as the Carrington event, occurred. It was so powerful that it caused telegraph lines to catch fire and created auroras as far south as the Caribbean. If a similar event were to occur today, it could have catastrophic effects on our technology-dependent society. While solar storms can be dangerous, they also create beautiful auroras in the sky. Auroras occur when charged particles from the Sun collide with particles in the Earth's atmosphere, creating colorful displays in the night sky. Solar storms are a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. By studying solar storms, we can better understand the Sun and take steps to protect our technology and our way of life.